All right, y'all. So today is Sunday. Today is the 30th of June, y'all. It is 6:15 p.m., y'all. I'm just getting out the house, y'all. I did Friday and Saturday overnight shift, so I literally just slept all day. I meant to make this like a shop with me Sunday, run a little errand with me day. So we still gonna do it. The places I'm going to today is gonna be my local market. I gotta get hubby's cake for his birthday tomorrow. And I'll probably go hit up a Dollar Tree and a Ross to make up his little gift and his gift bag. That's all I need to do today. Local market, Ross, and then the Dollar Tree is right next to Ross. Y'all excuse the angle of this lighting and everything. I'm having issues with my stand in my car. So I guess it's gonna be like a little shop with me, run errands with me, catch up with me, chit chat little thing. So yeah, y'all will see some things I may pick up at the store. I'll kind of just show y'all. Also, I still haven't got my shopping cart stand, like where I can snap it onto my cart together yet. So I will just be using my hand today. So yeah. Anyways, what's been going on with me? I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I fell off with the gym for like a week. Felt unmotivated. Just this week I just started going back to the gym, doing 30-minute home workouts or 30-minute walks in my area since the weather's nice now. Been doing a lot more trying to eat at home, meal prep and stuff. Not that was an issue. You guys know I take takeout here and there. I'm actually gonna go get some takeout now because I have not eaten since this morning at like 7 this morning, so I'm hungry. Yeah. Y'all know hubby's birthday is tomorrow. My birthday's in August. I'm going to Afro Nation in Detroit. So like I just been really just working and moving around. I also just came back from Wisconsin. I went out there to host a barbecue with my sis. I'm literally going back out there the weekend of the 12th. We're going to this like inflatable bouncy house place thing. I'm gonna try to vlog that. I meant to vlog that weekend I was out there, but we ended up not doing as much as I planned, and it ended up raining. So I'm gonna try to vlog the next time I go out there. Bubby's doing good with potty training, y'all. It's a little bit of things here and there going good. I ain't just fall off the face of the earth. I just had to take 2 weeks off because I was just unmotivated to do anything, vlog, do the gym. So now I'm back on track. Jobs is working out for me. I got some more stable work. Stuff is just getting better. I'm getting my car together. Like, just some stuff that I just been pushing off, and now I'm just like, let's go. Let's get it done before my birthday. So, y'all, I really apologize for the sun, y'all. I really just don't want to really move my car too much because, yeah. Y'all, let me make this quick. But yeah, y'all, we just finna go shopping. Things been falling into place for me, and I'm thankful to God. That don't mean I ain't had no hard days, y'all. Y'all definitely keep going, keep praying, because some days, y'all, I get up and I be like, why the freak am I even doing this? Here we go again. But baby, when I say, if I don't do anything, I say, God, give me strength, guide me and protect me each and every day, because I don't know how sometimes I get up and go. Baby, it be God. It be God for real, y'all. Really. And I was fighting real heavy with that spiritual warfare for that week or two that I was just unmotivated to go to the gym. Mind you, I was consistent AF. Then literally I was like, no, I'm being spiritually attacked. This is a spiritual attack. Why am I feeling so tired? Why am I feeling so unmotivated? Why? When just 2 weeks ago, I was doing it. So I literally was just like praying to God, like, keep me covered. I know this is an attack. Keep me covered. I know it's an attack. Like the sleepiness, like you wake up tired, go to bed tired. Like I could sleep all day. Like today I actually feel good. But I'm saying like to the point where I'm literally sleeping and waking up exhausted. Like coffee is the only thing driving me. Y'all know I love coffee, but like coffee was the only thing driving me. And I was like, no, I'm finna stay rooted in God. I got back to reading my Bible. I definitely want to do a fast this month. So yeah, I just been very aware of the people around me, what I'm doing, my different emotions. Y'all know the therapy. I've been still doing therapy. I've switched my therapy sessions to once a month now, so I'll have another one at the end of the month, and I'll update you guys on that as well. yeah, y'all, it's just been a lot going on. A lot of, not I'm gonna say bad things, a lot of learning things, a lot of good things, a little bit of ups and downs, like, you know how life just gets us. But I just try to stay rooted in God, baby, because that's really the only way I keep going. But yeah, let's go spend this coins, because I don't be working and pulling doubles and doing all this just to be paying bills. So let's go spend this on my man. All right.
I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in the car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he tomatoes.
Y'all, I very much so apologize for this angle, but my vertical, my other stand is acting up right now, so we having to use the car vent mount. I want to show y'all everything I got for hubby for his birthday. This video ain't gonna be posted to his birthday probably, so I ain't worried about him seeing this stuff because I'm not posting it today. So I'm gonna show y'all everything I got for him. I got him this shower gel hair and body wash little kit. It says it's like a citrus, lime, and mint kit. Some of the stuff not for him too. I got the set of 2 ramekins. Y'all been wanting me some ramekins. This was a set of 4 for $3.99, and I got 2 boxes. I got the last 2 boxes, so I got that. So like I said, those not for him. Those for my house. This also not for him. I got this silicone popsicle mold because I want to be like doing like frozen I have like so much yogurt and fruit. I want to be making like froyo bars and stuff. You get 2 sets, and it's 3 molds in each, so you get 6 different little molds, and it has like a watermelon, a strawberry, and a pineapple. And this was $3.99. Got this for my dad for Father's Day. I saw these last 2. It's like a whiskey. It says cigar whiskey tumbler. You can sit your cigar on it, and he could take his drink. If y'all don't know my dad, baby, this is perfect for my dad. Yeah, I got him the last 2 of these. I got him 2 of these. And then I got Sean just some 2 little shirts I thought he would have liked. One has this like little Japan. He into this stuff recently, so I got that little shirt for him. And then I got him another little like bougie little shirt, you know, little bougie shirt, you know. Then I went back because I was like, wait, I never saw the cologne, so I went back in there and I got him a cologne. Because I always get him cologne. This is the Tahari Aqua Wave, and it's this like blue bottle. They had a black one too. And then I got him this little ginger tea. He likes pineapple ginger tea. And then, you know, because he a little bougie, you know, I like to think he a little bougie, I got him this little box water. And it's Yucable. If you don't know about the Yuka app, check it out. But it is Yucable. So that is all I got from Ross. The only thing I ran in Dollar Tree to get was the gift bag and then the 2 balloons y'all see back there. Oh, and then I got like 2 little storage containers to put in my trunk to organize my trunk. So that was all I had got from the Dollar Tree when I went in there. It cut me off at the end, but I was just saying that was all I had got from Dollar Tree and the little local, I mean, not Dollar Tree and Ross. I was saying now I'm in my little local market. They sell these half cakes. So like if you don't want like a slice of cake or a cupcake or a full circle cake, they sell like these little half cakes. So hubby said surprise him with a cake. He don't really care for chocolate or vanilla. He doesn't have like a preference. So I'm gonna try to get him a vanilla cake. Hopefully they have a vanilla cake in those little half. It's literally like a rectangle shape, and that's better than having like a full cake, so we don't have to worry about trying to eat it up. But y'all, I'm finna go get this cake, and then I think I'm gonna stop and get me some food and go in the house, y'all, because that's it for me. It cut me off at the end, but I was just saying that was all I had got from Dollar Tree and the little local, I mean, not Dollar Tree and Ross. I was saying now I'm in my little local market. They sell these half cakes. So like if you don't want like a slice of cake or a cupcake or a full circle cake, they sell like these little half cakes. So hubby said surprise him with a cake. He don't really care for chocolate or vanilla. He doesn't have like a preference. So I'm gonna try to get him a vanilla cake. Hopefully they have a vanilla cake in those little half. It's literally like a rectangle shape, and that's better than having like a full cake, so we don't have to worry about trying to eat it up. But yeah, I'm finna go get this cake, and then I think I'm gonna stop and get me some food and go in the house, y'all, because that's it for me. All right, y'all, good morning. Today is July 1st. It's hubby's birthday. I'm finna go drop a Viva off at daycare. I let him open his gift this morning. He was so excited. Yeah, y'all hear Bubby in the back. Y'all, I'm still using my Carvin mouse, so apologies for the way it's looking and stuff. I'm gonna try to play with this other mount today. He don't know this, but I'm actually taking him to Cheesecake Factory. We ain't been there since, I don't think me and him been there since our first year anniversary. But I was like, let me just take him to Cheesecake Factory, because they open by 11:30. So I was trying to go somewhere where they like lunchtime-ish, because I'm gonna go take her to daycare, and then I'm gonna go to the gym, shower, get dressed, and then we could go to Cheesecake Factory. And it'll make sense because I'll be actually hungry enough to eat takeout or eat going out after the gym. I'm gonna probably stop and get me a smoothie. I didn't eat nothing else though, so I'll probably just stop and get me a smoothie and maybe a hash brown and get on my way to the gym. This is the first time I'm going back to the gym in a minute. I've been doing like home workouts lately, like lifting my little 10-pound dumbbell and like doing like little strength training stuff. I need to get me a yoga mat so I can start doing some floor exercises and not just be laying on the floor. Probably get one from Five Below. And I should give me another another 10-pound dumbbell too. But that won't be today. But yeah, I'll see y'all at the gym. All right, y'all, so I'm dressed for hubby's birthday dinner. He don't know this, but we're going to Cheesecake Factory. Can't go wrong with that. We haven't been since our 1-year anniversary, so you know it's not a place we frequent often. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit in the bathroom, but